Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Google Contacts to your N8N step by step. So step 1, go to the Google Cloud Console and create a project and enable the People API. Step 2, navigate to your APIs and services and then click Credentials and create OAuth 2.0 Client ID credentials. And you can use this link as the redirected URI. Step 3. Open your N8N and then go to your credentials and create a new Google OAuth 2. Credentials Google OAuth 2 API. Using your client ID and the secret. And then step 4. Create a new workflow and add an HTTP request. HTTP request node or a custom module if your Google Contacts supported is installed. Step 5. Use this endpoint. And then step 6. Choose your Google OAuth 2 credentials in the Authentication tab of the HTTP node. And then click Execute Node. Step 7. You will receive your Google Contacts list including the names and emails, which you can use to trigger emails, updates, or syncs. And now, your Google Contacts are successfully connected to N8N. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.